Hi, my name is Ron on behalf of Fireline. Contents restoration is complex and complicated, and with no official industry standards to regulate the industry, restoration quality varies greatly from company to company. Unfortunately, service inconsistency frequently results in invoice markdowns and even the loss of future contents claims. Well, it doesn't have to be this way. Since 2005, Fireline has led the industry developing new technology, procedures, and protocols. Today, we provide restorers a complete managerial and technical services business model that, when implemented, is guaranteed to measurably increase the production and profitability of your contents operation. Our industry is going through a transformation, and contents restoration is now a hot button for insurers. Adjusters are looking to partner with companies who have greater skill and service capability. And just being average is no longer good enough to sustain success. When you offer insurers a quality assurance service standard, you're putting them on the path to successful claims resolution and creating demand for your services. It's time to put your company on the preferred contractors list and start cashing in on contents. For information on Fireline training programs, on-site workshops, and contents processing technologies, call us at 800-500-2533. We're here to help.